Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit money from your bank into your Binance account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, what you need to do is you'll have to log into your account, and after you're logged into your account, tap on wallet in the top right. So from the drop down menu, tap on feed and support. So after that, on the other interface, you need to tap on deposit. So once you're on this page, you need to select your currency, and after that you also need to tap on bank transfer and then select the account where you want to transfer the money from and then tap on continue. So on the second step, you need to enter the deposit amount and then tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So once you do that, on the other interface, you need to enter the account information. So that includes the holder's name, bank name, and then the account number. And once you're done, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. And then on the last interface, make sure to review all of your information correctly and then tap on confirm. So after you tap on confirm, you'll be notified that you've successfully deposited your money. So that is how you can deposit money from your bank into your Binance account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.